In this video, I'm going to share my struggles in learning Python, which many beginners face, but no one talks about this. When I started learning Python, I thought it was going to be simple because everywhere online, people kept saying Python is the easiest language. So I entered with confidence, but then reality humbled me. Honestly, the syntax was simple, but understanding the logic behind the code, that's where the whole problem begins. The hardest part for me wasn't even writing the code. It was thinking like a programmer. When someone says, write a loop, create a function, or store this in a variable, my brain used to freeze. I understood the words, but I didn't understand how to combine them to solve a problem. Python wasn't hard. My mindset was the hard part. I made the same mistakes a lot of beginners make. I watched tutorials, copied what the person typed, and I felt like I was learning. But when I closed the tutorial and tried to write the same code, I used to fail. That was when I knew that I wasn't learning. One day, I told myself, let me try and explain this to myself without looking at the video. I couldn't. It was painful, but that pain helped me grow. That's when my method changed. I started writing code slowly. I started googling what I don't know. I started writing simple exercises. I forced myself to think before typing. That was when things started becoming clearly. I realized something. Python isn't about being fast. It is about understanding all concepts step by step. Variables first, loops, then functions. When I slowed down and stopped comparing myself with others online, I started enjoying the process. Even now, I still make mistakes. I still forgot syntax. I still Google simple things, but at least I understood the process. I know programming isn't magic. It is just practice, patience, and thinking step by step, and I am enjoying the process. The hardest part of learning Python for me isn't the code, it is the mindset and the logic. The good thing is, you don't need to be perfect. What you just need is to keep practicing. If you're also struggling, don't feel bad. You are not alone. All of us are learning, and I will see you in the next video.